Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. Thank you for selecting this video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the whole month of 2019 since I haven't done an unboxing for January, February, and I got my Boxyluxe. I'm wearing some of the items, so let's just get started. Well, for March, Boxyluxe, I'm so excited because this is so cute. I actually travel a few times, sometimes at least once a year, and I don't have one of these, so this is perfect. I love the color, and I love that it does say Boxycharm inside, and I love the color. I really loved it. I think this is perfect, and I was able to put all the items that I received in this cute bag. The bag retails for $20. I'm gonna list everything on the description box by month, so that way you'll know exactly what every item is actually retail and how I came up with a total of $532. So the first item I did, I want to show you is these two brushes from MODA. I did use this one to apply the highlighters, which I'm going to be showing you here how me applying this. And this was a highlighter that I think I got, I don't know if it was in January that I got the highlighter, but this is the highlighter from Pretty Vulgar. So I use this brush to apply it. I feel like this is too soft for me to apply the highlighter, but it is a nice soft brush. So I'll have to see if other highlighters pick up more product and it's easier for me to use. I do love that once you use the handle, it's a lot easier for you to use, so it feels really nice and sleek, and I like the color. This brush I did not use. I feel like it's a little bit too short for me, but I'm gonna play with it to see if this is something I will use to apply my blush, or I'll see what I could use it, but this is included on this month box. The next item that I did get was the Becca. It says W and it's Becca. I think it's so pretty, and it does tell you the name right there. It's such a pretty shade, which is the one right here, and I love the packaging. This is really pretty. The next item I got was, I think everybody got this too, is from It Confidence Inno Cream. This one is for all skin types, and this is an anti-aging transforming moisturizing super cream. So I'll see if this is something I will include on my skincare routine, since I'm finishing the moisturizer that I actually have. I've been using more Korean base. It does feel soft, so I'll see if this is something that I will include on my skincare. This one's called Lily Lashes, and this one is a limited edition. I think this costs like $24.99. I didn't apply them today, but because I did use the mascara from Too Faced, since that's something that came in one of these months, so I used that mascara instead. So this one is called Lift Up Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is a peel off mask, and I don't know how this one is gonna be, so I'm not gonna open it in case I do give it away. So that is the Iconic from London. Iconic. This is a nice packaging. This is a brow the Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion. I did use a little bit to do my brows, but I also used another item that I did get from the box, $1 Billion Brows. I felt like this one kind of like wasted too quickly, so I don't know. To be honest, I used the one from Maybelline, and I like that one. Some of these items, I don't know if I will use them, so yes, it's $532, but some of these items, to be honest, the ones from January, February, most of them I haven't even used, wear, or tried. So worth it, because you're trying out some products maybe you have not purchased before. They're name brands, and from $92 to $532 is a big difference. The Cover FX. The shade is medium to deep. I did get an email letting me know that even though I did do the survey, so the email said that they sent me the wrong shade, and since I don't have any more, they're gonna give me some points, which is their same value of this. But once I saw inside, this is really deep, is medium deep, and even the blush is every shade is real dark, so I won't be able to use it. Last thing I did get was Morphe Brunch Babe. This is 15B. I'm glad that I didn't get neutral tones. I did get more like the ones that has the pink shade, and that's the complete eye makeup look that I have today. I was surprised once I opened it. I'm like, wow, this feels heavy, and then I realized it's because it comes with the mirror, so I like that. So this is everything that I did get. I'm going to show you a picture for you to see everything that is $532 worth. And oh, I'm missing one item. This is from Deborah Lippmann. I don't wear too much nail polish, but I feel like these shades are perfect for me. I love the colors. And this one is neutral but with some sparkle there, and nice like an opal tone. So this one's called Old Donna, and this one's called Modern Love. So I thought this was cute too. I really wanted to include everything that I did receive for the year 2019 so far, and there are some pretty good items that I'm excited about. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more about Boxycharm, I'm going to provide in the description box the link so you can subscribe or just find out more information, or if you would like to upgrade to Boxyluxe, I also included that in my blog where I have the list of all the items that I'm mentioning that I unboxed from January up to March. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye.